During the first week, work on your embouchure, again, the muscle tone of your lip and surrounding facial muscles, by sounding the most prominent note called the fundamental. How long should you do this? Probably 5 to 10 minutes per day, and increase the practice time as you will build your muscle tone and the embouchure. We sound the dominant note of this instrument, which is somewhat like a bugle. It has a dominant note which we can find, and we then practice, practice, practice. Listen to the dominant note. Practice that note, practice that note, practice that note. You can make many sounds of the shofar, but the dominant note is the important. Let me show you the other notes that you possibly could get. Work on the dominant note. You should in doing so, we familiarize ourselves with our unique instrument. We begin to create an embouchure, which is simply, again, the muscle tone that you have in your face. And you build stamina to combat lip fatigue, which does occur when the shofar is played too much, just as any brass instrument. You should practice buzzing. Brass players do this by buzzing into the mouthpiece. In the case of shofar playing, you can buzz by shaping your thumb and forefinger in the shape of a mouthpiece and blowing it to simulate your embouchure.